If you can recognize what the tops of those two cracking towers are, put it in the description down below what your guess is. Anyway.
It's
that. if you're going to give it away. Anyway, this is the Yardmaster's console. Here's what we call the big yard. Actually, it's about the same size as the other yard, but this has a hump yard in it. We have a approach track here going up past the hump tower, and then these four tracks down here are the hump tracks, bowl, whatever you want to call it. And you'll see when we shove them over the top.
Over the hump. Oh, it's supposed to move.
Yep. There you go. They actually roll down to a stop. Anyway, that's the big yard, and there's a intermodal facility going to be down here. We can see some of the intermodal MyJack cranes and stuff. Going up to the going up to the control panel up here. The two yards are controlled by the turnouts, and the 2 yards are controlled by these switches, and they're all numbered.
You can flip the other end up and rotate it.
Yeah, and the whole thing flips over so you can work on the electronics in it. And those are all detection circuits. Those are all latching relays for the turnouts. We're gradually switching over to tortoise switch machines, but a lot of the regular solenoid switch machines will stay. And let's see some more of the features. We're getting about to round to the end here. The bridge that Eric Scratch built, like the one up on the similar to the one on the Helix way over there. Down the steps, and then the grain elevator, which is all scratch built by Eric. Very neat. Lots of conveyors and stuff going back and forth. Got the grain dryers there, and oh, there you go. Turn on the LEDs over here. That helps. But anyway, that's the layout as it is now at the end of the year. Oh, and this is where all the DCC equipment is now. The automatic reversers and the PM42 blocks, and power supplies. And
Open it up more.
There's the power supply for the whole layout. All the transformer and cooling fans. Really, I don't know that we need the cooling fans, but if we ever get that much of a power draw, come in handy. So anyway, that's a end of the year look at the layout and at Eric. You never see Eric. You hear him a lot of times, but you never see him. Anyway, hope you enjoyed.